Jordan, what is Mama doing now?
Well, Mama is washing the store-bought strawberries thoroughly and soaking them along with vinegar so that it helps take off some of the pesticide and makes it more clean. Here we go, fresh strawberries.
They are all clean. Oh, we have some frozen one from the freezer.
Yes, we do. Oh, and it looks like we have some honey there.
And the cutting boards?
Yes.
Whoa, these frozen strawberries are super cool.
Brr.
It is freezing but smell good.
And the fresh strawberries, yes, they definitely smell good. Strawberries are easy to cut with a knife, but children, you still need to be careful when you're using a knife, okay?
Oh, why does Mama need a big straw? Is she drinking bubble tea?
Looks like Mama is using the large straw to poke out the stem.
Oh, fast and easy.
Oh, it's okay, Mama. A little bit of stem left, we can try again.
It's her first time.
Don't give up.
Try again.
You can do it. Oh, almost. Pretty close. Yay! Success! Bravo, Mama! Bravo! Look, Jayden, Mama did it.
Oh, fantastic. Wow, it looks like a strawberry umbrella.
Strawbrella? Oh yes, I can see you through this strawberry telescope, Mama. Oh, yep, I can see you with the other eye too.
Oh, let me try it, Mama. I can see you even if my eyes are smaller than Jordan. Yes.
Wow, Mama's fast. She's almost finished a whole cup of strawberries. How many did she put inside? Huh? Oh. You're sleeping, Jayden. I can hear you snoring. You must be dreaming. Okay, last one. And we're all done, Jayden. Oh, you're still sleeping. Why am I not surprised? Well, good morning, sunshine.
I smell honey.
Yes, that is honey.
I was chasing rabbit in my dream. It was fun.
Now we're gonna put in the frozen strawberries. We can mix the frozen with the fresh. Jayden, with all the noise, are you awake now?
Not really. I'm still sleepy. Maybe I ate too much for my supper.
Okay, Mama is now gonna preheat the oven to 175 degrees Fahrenheit. Wow, you really are tired, Jayden. You're gonna miss everything. Now we're gonna pour the strawberry puree.
Actually, I didn't fall asleep yet. Smells so good. I love food.
Yes, me too. I love food too.
Dogs can eat strawberries. You know, Jordan?
Yes, we can, but you can't eat too much. Otherwise, you're gonna fall asleep. Are we done yet, Mama? We're not painting here, huh? Remember, it should be a thin, transparent layer, Mama. Not too thick, not too thin.
Are we done yet?
One more tray to go.
Good thing it's still bright outside.
Patience, Jayden. Patience.
I'm learning how to wait and be patient.
Whatever we're waiting for, peace of mind, contentment, grace, the inner awareness of simple abundance, it will surely come to us, but only when we are ready to receive it with an open and grateful heart.
Jordan, is this the final step?
Not yet, Jayden. Not yet. We still have to take it to the kitchen and put it into the oven and bake it at 175 degrees Fahrenheit for 3 to 4 hours. This snack, although it's simple ingredients, but it takes a long time. It's a snack to teach us a lot of patience.
We
just love the smell of strawberries. Smells good.
Yeah.